Dimas lungo tubab karo tili muang ani waru lai April karo 2025 kaboni kibaro network ngal bismillah momo itoni konton kendo wanal bari malim pamane mutana ka kibaro sambale nan kibaro talba mo la president baro aning ala coalition partner solu i bentale kote ke kakacha e pour la mulyalon ko be damal tema wol kono diamo keta e fabaka tombo njata adiamuta may fati adiamuta aning mo jama mu yalan ko le diamta woli fanan kono modo mu yalan ko le diamta woli keta Amad Bati kuma kan woli mu yalan ko wolle fo ila kacha kono mu yalan ko wole ke state house bi dimasola tubab karo tili muang aning worula April karo menaka wole sambale na wokola sinaka kachado sambale na mu yalan ko fondin ke fila diamta mo kilingo ya wolle jalai ka foko molle mu yalan ko manke mo kendelti bankola na flo be tulun ka wolla ye banko dingol tora andum banko dingol felenyinti konko dun tanyim banko kan ate fondin ke nyimbe diam kan kumo jama mi yalon kay wolle sata minni fo alba mo la nyin kacha ko beduno kacha le kono kala moyi kuma kan wol mul yalon ko wolle futaje o kulans na ngajibi ro kafta nyamin na kal tentu kal je yi kal nimbara nal bari ma pamani la barka ba jala na moy
so meeting of la concluta His Excellency the President of the Republic and malong ite men soto be men fala Gambian kole about this alliance ni
yo baraka bake alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ko ya fa nyamen rong alliance partners ngol nata ka benjam kani dam ko triniro mi yalon ko His Excellency President Adama Barrow ake andun na min fulo sute je wolam nyintu ko aklimaya ku balem kasi ke la alliance partners kumandi ka kacha ka jibe ko be la nyaadile nganta la nyaadile pour ñu si ko be keno kilimote kamta wolen si jambi ndum kacha kata nyama akata haklimaya kono akata bunya kono akata hormo kono nun son tangi noko abe la faram balekela na nyaato tala sama.
Yeah, thank you very much. Honorable
in English perhaps. Yeah.
In English?
Yeah, what do you say there?
Yeah, as I said, first of all, we are here today upon the request of His Excellency President Adama Barrow, who we all know is the head of the Grand Coalition. And the purpose of the meeting is to get the alliance partners at the highest levels, that the party leaders and their national executive committees, to come together, shoulder to shoulder, to discuss, identify, and then try to carve ways of solving some of the problems there, if there are any, and carving ways to see how best we can work together for the future, for the betterment of our alliance. That's, in summary, was the whole lot. And we also believe that it was born out of good foresight of the president, to sit down, to reflect on and see, so that together we can come together. For the first time, I have never been part of any of this type, nor am I aware of it in the history of the Gambia, that alliance partners come together, discuss, and it was done in a brotherly, amicable, friendly, and very proactive way.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you.
Honorable Amad Ba, Minister of Local Government and Land. What do you have to say about this, great meeting that is held here today at the State House?
It was a good meeting, and as the Speaker and the leader of the APRC have said, it was born out of the wisdom, the foresight of His Excellency the President to bring us together to discuss issues to advance our collective agenda. And that is the political agenda of President Barrow under the leadership of the NPP-led alliance government. And I think it's been a very fruitful meeting. We've had very frank discussions, and we've exchanged a lot of ideas, and we have now drawn strategies as to how we're going to advance this process. You know that our politics in this country have gone through an evolutionary process. It has become more dynamic, more responsive. Measures are therefore needed to address some of the emerging issues as we cruise along towards 2026. And I think today's meeting have set the pace and the agenda towards achieving the ultimate goal of getting the victory in 2026 come December 2026. We believe that it's a good step, it's a good start in the right direction, and everybody appreciates it. Therefore, we thank the president for his foresight, his leadership skill, and his knowledge and his vision. He has become very unique in the Gambian political landscape. As you're aware, as I always said, it is not by accident that he became the president in 2017, year 27, when we voted out the APRC. It is not by accident. I think it was designed by Almighty Allah that a man like Adama Barrow will be the president of this country. And we are all enjoying that. And we are all seeing the unprecedented development in this country. Whether you like this government or you hate it, the fact of the matter is development is happening. But again, Gambians must take advantage of that, particularly the youths. They need to take up, learn profession, get skills to get involved. We saw people coming all over the sub-region, youths from everywhere, coming to work in this country, while some of our people still continue to complain of lack of jobs. And I think we encourage them really to get to learn skills, use the training, the skill centers in this country. Today, if you look at the average wage, daily wage, even for a machiner, you're talking about $700 a day. For a male laborer, takes about $300 a day. That's almost $9,000 a month. That's a lot of money. I think we need to do that to encourage everybody. This government is ready to support at every level to advance the development of the country.
Yeah.
I thank my colleagues so much.
Okay, now, as I understand, you've discussed a lot of issues.
Don't tell you all, when you are fighting with your enemy, don't tell him your strategy. We just want to finish them and smash them off as we move on.
Okay, thank you very much. We also have the Honorable Minister of Information. Honorable Minister Ahmed Fati of GMC mentioned misinformation and disinformation. We also know that Winston Churchill once said that if you want to throw a stone at every barking dog, you will never arrive at your destination. But misinformation is a problem. Disinformation is also a problem. What do you have to tell people about disinformation and misinformation that is circulating in the social media circles?
Well, I would have preferred to have a question about the coalition,
Exactly.
about the meeting that we go into. As has already been mentioned by the previous speakers, we thank the president for his foresight and his vision for calling on this meeting to bring all the coalition partners together to discuss strategies and how we are going to approach 2026. Obviously, anybody who knows the president has worked with him, there are three qualities that he possesses, which are very rare in a human being. One is he forgives, two, he is patient, and three is tolerant. All these three, not many people have what it takes to combine all these three qualities. Now, because of that, we as a coalition have made a promise, a declaration, that we are going to ensure that we do everything in our capacity to get him re-elected again in 2026 so he can continue his agenda of transforming this country. So basically there are three aims that we have, three objectives. The first objective is to get his president elected again in 2026, and that we are going to do, no doubt about that. The second objective is to ensure we support him after being re-elected to continue his transformative agenda that he wants to deliver to the Gambian people. Because if we re-elect him and then leave him alone, then the work is not complete. The work will only be complete if he is re-elected and then he's helped to continue transforming or his transformative agenda. The third is that we know that the current stock of opposition don't have what it takes to govern this country. They don't have good intention for this country. We are going to do everything within our powers to stop them from getting into government. And that is very clear. And that is why this meeting is important. For me, this is the launch pad for the 2016 campaign. And I'm happy that there is unity within the ranks of the alliance. Everybody is on board. And I think what the alliance has, I've not seen any alliance that has what this alliance has. It has experience. Imagine having a party like APRC that has governed its country for 22 years in this alliance. NRP that has been in opposition for many years in this alliance. NCP, the same. NPP has ruled for over 8 years in this alliance. That is experience. We have knowledge. Look at the stock of people in this alliance. We have the young people behind us. So I don't see any reason why this alliance must falter. And I think now that we are united, we are going to pull our resources together, both human, intellectual, and monetary, to ensure that we deliver victory in 2026 so the president can continue his transformative agenda, support him to succeed, and ensure that people who cannot govern this country, people with no vision, no alternative, will ever take over power in this country. Thank you.
Let me correct. Let me just, excuse me. He made one statement. I don't want the media or
the statement, the pronouncements that were made initially before me. I'd like to emphasize that this conclave that was just concluded is a demonstration of unity, of purposefulness, and a sense of patriotism among all stakeholders in the Grand Alliance. Our objective is very simple. We are here for national development, and the main focus that the Alliance has now is only on two C's, that is continuity and consolidation. We will seek the continuation of the existing development trajectory with a view to consolidating it. So what we have, our mantra is nothing except continuity and consolidation. We are very cognizant of the fact that development is a process. It is a marathon, not a sprint. So you cannot achieve everything at all times, and you cannot solve all problems all at once. But there is a very focused approach to the development challenges that this country is facing, and there is a serious commitment to tackling them. And we have seen real evidence in how the statecraft has been managed so far. But certainly, that is not to say that everything is hunky-dory. Certainly, there are challenges we still have to face as a country. But what is more impressive is the willingness to work on them. So we will continue to perfect the process, because democracy itself is an experiment in governance. It is not a perfection in the art of governance. And so governance is a very complex process, because we are handling human exigencies, human aspirations, human needs, which are very fluid. And in these very challenging times, in this moment in history, when we are experiencing a mutation in the way global politics is functioning, and this realignment and rearrangement of the international global order, the Gambia has a role to play. And within that context, this alliance came for a meeting, a consultation of the minds, meeting of the minds, in order to chart a very effective future for the Gambia. So we are all united. There is a consensus on the way forward. There is a consensus on how to achieve that. But we cannot achieve that continuation and consolidation until we cross the Rubicon in 2026. Now we are focused on that. And I can assure you that no amount of distraction is going to derail that focusedness. We will remain on the path of consolidation and continuity to achieve total victory in the 2026 elections. That is where we are focused on, and we have a track record to fight on. We have a leadership that is plunging ahead, and we have a strong following that is willing to support that leadership. So we will continue to talk to Gambians, and we are going to ensure that as we approach 26, it is going to be purely based on issues, on policy, and on ideas. Anything else that is contrary to that, well, we can leave other people to howl about it, but we are going to focus on our strength, which is policy success, conviction, commitment, and a vision for a developed Gambia that will be an envy to none, particularly in the sub-region. That is why we are here. That is what we are focused on. We will have the naysayers who will say everything, but there is no nation on earth that has everything correct. It's a process, and we will continue to achieve that process. Every government that takes over this country, whether now for the next century, every government will experience a challenge at any point in time in history. And that challenge is going to be an issue that the nation will talk about. So we are at a point where we feel very proud, we're very comfortable, we have no camps, no worries at all, and we believe that we are on the path to victory. And we will continue to focus on the ball. We have our eyes set on the ball. 2026 is going to be a game changer that is never witnessed in our history. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable
oldest political party.
my father. Abaraka Bake, Abaraka Bake.
Okay.
Gambia Balafa. kabarambol du ko muslimo la kan hadango la barambol ko to farin ko sora tap abebe ko sorine wallahi ko jamala naflol lom ko la bla poso kono ke ku jol melo jol jamala naflol lom fendan la fen lom kamel domo be harama be fen ko sorin al kaf nyoma je ko coalition nyaadi al be mo hammentan wallahi al be hammentan pati o pati men kafda adam baroma ko dina ka coalition ko pati mo pati hammentan but femvendi hamo sur Gambia ila fa Gambia nyaado tala adam baro fo ngal ne ko nothing good come out fende bu kana bango kam be dal full of rubbish nga taw al kalde do ko kelal tal feñol yalla le do ko ta jamana na flota ko pusuru pasara ko ke batara feñoti ko ke tulun nawti mole o banko ka akoy la coalition tumla kat ente coalition de munafiki yalde ya bal bluje al banko nyinti nya na liati nya na be yele mal kun kanje andi mota de nala o furi ni on na fantan ni cham tamalo mune wala problem ot da wallahi talla Gambia politician o do biye wal na faala fon do ila nyim political party jamalo ndo ape wuliya be fania ko tebuli si dépense men jamala na flo do kata sabu du kese kum fata ba baro ya kata ya Gambia fo vida all da wato do enjoy ya jika bango do ko amanke kanfu ko mi ko be kala molti be selfish la no bango la interest ina ngenta mo be concern la bodo bango gambi 99% barolo man sakunda be bala selfishness le no be bala self interest le no alta do ko kala alta tukula alta ne un annelun na kodo bina dal ba kunun ina malla do ko do bango ka odron al sola keno alta tukula alta annelun kodo bina don takasal ba kunun talabasal ba kunun la kuenta jahalla billahi wallahi tallahi kita bala fati kita bala fa bade dai bali ngadawo dunia be advance kan mol be move kan forward ndol kata backward ndel be ta kan koma still now bita kan koma because of mol le so society ko mel yalo ngo hammo tela wol wadde ka ila suwo ko mun be do manaje e be la min tole itol ma ka fa ko do be wala min tole but they never think about the future or because yalo hada mari som dai kata le fi buka future soto but ni de man future soto e dingol mel be wulula wol mira Gambia nyanda falinna le Gambia is totally mess Gambia be mess abbe kula kono mi yalo ma mo fonta mota ex made no la yafo ko no dunya bi ta kanna Gambia le be lora noto ri bambao albuke mi alla kabrol la nal fada alabita al konti bola alla kabrol kon alla ni robi so ha alam dal buga mansa soso albe ala sokila ko kafiro al ka mo ndal buga mansa soso mo alam me yo atel ko men sokol mansa men kili alam me yo dal po sokila al ka buga mansa soki ni afrika tinya mo sina e bu mo kunka ni ko kese kili ha yalo mansa ni ko asilo e bu kun mansa jumala silo bon le kunte mo fo mansa sibutu keso la farata e silo bon da mo jumala kun jumal le ke opposition ot ite mo mol care ite you don't care about those people ite men care all my family e kun ite o damala care but apart from mo ite mo care ko take kambe dingol be kumbola ku jamala ka hapondi buka president fon ya fi ndayo address ku useless rum talent lali kuma kensen fol ni mbul kono lim fayol wolde nyim banko bola to nyala be nyim banko bondila ngade nga to nya fasa na selfish interest wol bondi jedo ni mel lafte rasu kono ye balu ye wuli do ko woki ni mel lafte balu ye do ko woki al kan dar siri wo banko kalbe banko tinyala albo siri ngambe ale bu gambe tinyala al tar kan dar siri ngambe al bu gambe tinyala al bu gambe dund la bul kono dion lebina wulu la dula do sama na di la fi jol tinyala ye destroy ala bal konti bolale al wulale do ko ke na la fa balula ale boni hammenta yayayol ni nyin ku kalantan la ale nyim batara ya meeting ale mo la state house ke si c'est bunti banko la bun kuma mo ko state house mol kila waramba kosori undu kana wolodo ba fole va ha ndole abe kafiriya wallahi fem ka corruption o ke ka corruption o support mu kafirol because islamo fo man la fi corruption o islamo fo corruption o against le mo corruption be kafla nyoma min dole ga mo le ko ha ndol ten abe fania to nya han kessa kilin ta ko al ka fem fo je to nya hati jede al be gambele ti nya ko to ali hati nya already al be dingol mel gurulal to dingol la ko mirala wol bina mel gurulal to la ko mirala to ken ka balu dron ka balu fu falti yoko nal fata ala bal konti mbola men nal buke mira o fon ala bulala do ko kal batara ya bulal do ko ke ni mu kunta yaltide katara sirin ka kodo mo fonoti ni te do ku kele te ku mala te kula ku kel jaka faliya man tambi nyinna tembe be bulu kono bi billah gamene man tara nyi nyom bulo ko banko man si cho fenne man bete yaw banko kan ku bebe tinyari ibe molla million bon boyka for nothing government la reserve la no ya beta la nyotema sa molla million boni bol fana boyka allo kutobe siri wod la rabe den tuk nalo kum meseo men babulo la siri wod la den tuk ato ko address la barna tara political crisis le kala sa ende hana tare mo ko NPP isaja finta na amol personal attack atole mo sifa jumal tambindal ka men na president al ka mol yo support do you people think atole amara mol domp tala ko malbe dompuri nyam haramadu men man dompu ibe fon bulu ibe fan keso bulu ku ba noto ila 5 common sense be tamaka i karanta walla hanna dara man ke karanta i tamata i hakilo be fateo bala iman hasidiya iman konnante ya iman ke fan jawdi ifan alno ko gambe banko fenne man tata ku ko banko ka fenne tata ku ko banko ka normally ni mu nyaaro ngoti ye banku din kilim fula saba moy kumbota ku menna nyanda findala yo ko address boti be molla na fulul kasara kan gambe no beten nin ko man mallaka ka jale ko I don't care abe larim mel kay ila business wala mot ndele mun country si fala soro wala ndele mun mo si fala soro ni mel be balu kan society ko harama do der balu ko ite man bala fa so te ñoo moli ite men mi rawlo mi kunti do ite do ku kela ite atukule ta nelu na ko be na don traka si ba kunun bu kana mi ro ko ro fam boda min do ibe fam bulu ko ka barol support non ndeka fole non la 5 common sense wol man tara woka dunya mu hakilo wolde iya bala banku ko ton bita kan nyaato mune be samba kan nyaato e kamen gidi president afa le president yo ke mol fana leta nyaato e corruption o ke lo banko ga fon ke mo tilinde wonde nyaato ko ite fon be tilinna jandi be mol tilindila bar ni te fon tilim bal yala mel be no may be tilim bal yala bara la president fon man tiling adamate mo tilindindi momen hakilo be fon fatew bala imange modi men selfista imange modi me alon go ye fon kon imange modi me alon go yela banko kon fo banko kanore be sondo moko itele be wurle e adama falikulu tentu ke bulo ko say non hanna dare be sirin tuwabdu siyo ma folo itela adun dala banne itela yanni te kana tuwabdu e mol tar tuwabdu dule mol natale tar tuwabdu isi kuta tuwabdu nyanya dol si kuta te tuwabdu le o man nyati ne mari yera banko fay ye fen kanu me yalon ko la toro le bije banko de la toro le bije gambela nyaata ta man tara mo kilimbula ba gambe de bela bul we should come together nga bulol di nyola nga differential fight ngaje ko gambia mum bela tadi mu nyanta kala weke mbe free mbe nioji alhamdulillah bari ite ko be sirin tuwabdul be sirin tuwabdul e ka titar wolle ke sanyo wulin de tuwabdul e musuba fonklaring africa e be diun wulu kan africa o diun la ko meta concern o ite be sirin tuwabdul because of ite you are okay be tuwabdul e be diun mel wulu kan sukun wala ko me concern ko sama sinin wo banko be takanya na ko ne da wonya ete o jio mem faraka na tuwabdu e diun bo jikiri no farala ni fara je de diun fa ite de fa wala bo fara wala ma bedi halama dum ila banko kano ajartal bara terle data do ko ha nga Gambia kanu la asra Gambia kanu tete data ite mo dom pour ma siri njande ba fala mulo kala nga baro support who do you kala nga baro support konde sometimes Allah ko kan te jahal wallahi Gambia waro la kan te jahal al nim bata fasim kato nim funo ko kapo nyobul Gambia di mustara batara be so faring abe toraring ni ko man salbe tambila bias talo silo ko we kankan juruma kan bo fal kulu templa e ke Gambia je full president kalwa ka tara fania fala mol ka bulo ko say ka wuri wollek no abilla Allah ko kan da jahal da Gambia no dol bije wato do Allah ko kan def ke def etali dal mol ka balu dunya men gono fol ma o mol man tara etel man tara balu ko dunya kilin kono ba because sometimes akela fana fonyo men ga mol ma maybe do bi jota fonyo nya ka tonata en naka kate fonyo sifa dolde but halamari men hakilo be bar hanni man si class o kon e nyanda halo na ko tonya nyine as far as he matured ila 5 common sense be bala nyanda halo na ko nyine mu hani korda la kayro nyine mu nyinda la kayrade soko bango la ko ka jakalol di wato do ta wallahi tallahi meji Gambia sulwol fele. Thank you, Madam Diba. Yo, baraka. Gambia sulwol felendi. Felendi. Ibala fatiyo be doyari. Hammo hana kese kilintel. Iba kabala kuto la buro makana ma fata jinya. Mamor sabal ketambulu nem fulatiyo de jande mobe yalon ko nem fulatiyo lo mati. Kumata kuma kundama memfo. Foraya manke kontongoti no kangolom kontong nyinde kontong no meke foroti ila kango ila kuma kan wodo la ka hadama dum ka foroti wala ka moke jonti be kabalo ta ma may fati finta o ta keda disaster wallahi mo men ka kumbo constitution ko wala no la kan ay no bar billahi Gambia fan fe ala be Gambia barengo you know sometimes wala kin ni ko hal banko di fondi ibadi la fondi ke jumal wenin dol jigita fondingel mel la ko wolle mun na political nyaati ko wol hammo fatale wol hammo doyatale isembe ma jama je malo sanno non la yamin malu to walla wol ma malo soto kote ada ma dum ni malo tela ko kon don e kasaratale fo malo soto ada ma dum malo soto e jube nyun lande sulu mali be jalala Gambia don wa kumbola hammen ta yalla man tambita nyinna they will do anything possible kaje ko ni election because yalla ko ni Gambia in 2026 la ni election men kana ibe los la rebe ta kasola because ibe mo korop abe sun ding abe sun kese choice be Gambia no level na di ate yalla sini je fa 100 million kili o mal ni te mold bar Gambia mum bel dawntide ison taba me carte o fay man so me carte o fay ba ye mom hanni ye mol mel dina la carte pour ye carte o fay Gambia mum bel tati nati nyata mbele par hada madu balu nyaay sada dade kana balu mol tarola e kana balu faniyala e kana balu nafikiyala balu tarola e balu halalola be mako la dunya be mako la alkiyama isi ketindi ku kotala pare balu ta menna kana so ye ketindi wal asfar asi jato be kendare fondin ke be fon bulu e man sasa e man jankare to kuoke kana ke kuma doko laati kana ke kuma din jele laati kana ke nafikoti kana ke wuloti kana suñaroke balu tarola ñim bala jaato ka balu tumbol la dokundi anyanta dokundi la nyaaw nyari ha dokundi danko ete balu tarola bari ye bawol hammen tamal be siri nyoka ka wuliya folomu e ko do dila ka faniya folom ka jamal na fulo jike ka dila e neon be diaren ko tasitela idumbu kamalu chom hoto
because ayin jakalia bake nga audio moy jang first of all mbed yamula audio la nga moy mengalo ka foko ha UDP nkola mu MPP nkola ka foko ha nyimu UDP nkol de bare aka to nya fola ndel dalta wala la we are used to that fo kemo siselambang nga audio do mo ba fokanko kabrata bodna Europe anata jang ay doku je ka fa ko Adam Barrow le nyin doku Adam Barrow le nyin do ko nta ko manke UDP court because UDP ko momon dimbe Europe e kana Gambia je dimba soto Gambia je Gambia banko je le yalo ne Adama e mun keno ani ngam men keno mafo men ala ka fo ko ata mu UDP court bari because moltata non UDP dan nawla no ke fam ko man UDP court la wala ka audio bonni num e ka fitinol commencé num mala la UDP kono ka fo ko tel mu UDP court le di ndara fo ngelong nge stop ibuka access no UDP kono ibuka kuma fono je mo buke lamoy still nawna ka mo sifal mambang men ya lon ko mi e ka pretend la koy mo UDP kolde atra imanke UDP kati wala ni MPP kolbe do ko wala okay ndele ko kile nka song tonya ni ngana na UDP ko momo dinga UDP kolon ya lon ko nin tonya la tan ka son tonya la barin ko ning ate ko ning ay femfen bi nyibe nyinin ka jang isa fay Adam Barrow la ya do ko lafta ay fintinan ay afo mole ko ay munni mune chodi jang e kay mena Adam Barrow le nyini do ko men ngalon complete do ko walam ay finta ay fen kilin to fo nyaba secondly ngala audio do moy aba afo kan modo le ko ka fay siye tenkun ha men ka diamoy ka fo ko ha ay sika karte ke so sunyale karte kese kilimbuka sunya gambele la sono kono ya lon ko mi ngam from dro e binge comme diamulate forumo kono molkele odi
yo mbadi ngol mbele kumol moy nga moyle a fota nyami na fanan ntede president Barrow aninga la coalition partner sori la bengo ma nyandi parce que ngalo ne ko priority bi jele mo yalon ko president Barrow bi nata nyanta sila bankola kola ko le yamu yalon ko le ya nyati li nyim bankola banku dingolu ibe toro mon ko nyim bankoka ko le mun be ke ka nyim banko kan those are priorities mu yalon ka nyanta si anala man sakunda e kacha ba resolve la nyamen. But instead, because he has no regard for the Gambian people, he has no regard for the poor voters, B ateba fundedala nyamina with his coalition partners. Yes, State House okay, politic dulati. Yes, State House okay, kilimbas dulati. Yes, State House odoya ninketa kutimu yalonka balafa wata back. Bari banko di ngoli nyante hakilo tula back. Alafta president Barrow la nyawonyang alinyanta lonna le ko alinyanta la filale fongol la katambi president Barrow fonti. Ba walte la fo alfangola woman fentinya la fo president Barrow. Bari nale ko albella fila president Barrow la katambal telefongol ti albena fenetinya la mu yalon ka be kala telefongol leti anala dimba al sama bankola sama nyimo problem molti mu yalon ko nyanta hakilo tula jeba ntelmul kadiamu ten there is none within us ntelmul kadiamu ka fo ko mala fi president Barrow la ni momu yo fo ibe telefona nakar kan because ntello rajan 2016 we vote for him we fought for him we vote for him we campaign for him we vote for him and we protected our votes against a tyrant mu yalon ka paretal non ka president Barrow ani mul yalon ko babale ila lifetime. Let me give you an example. Sidi Njai wol mul yalon ko babala Fabaka Tombo Jata wol Rambo Jata wol Fatoumata Jahumpa Sise wol ani mo jamal mul yalon ko bibe president Barrow la masakunda kono ayeke mo kumalti nyimbanko kan iketa kanteti nyimbanko kan wolle molti mul yalon ko de stood against him ka fuko ala mansa yate kala nyimbanko kan andun tele mul yalon kay mam muta fenti ay muta mo furi ngoti we are the people mul yalon ko lota jang ka jeko nga quartier mum faya ya te president Barrow ay protect and ay ke president nyimbanko kanja. So how would you see it ne mol ka fuko tel mala fi Barrow la man sayalen dunyal la fi samante ya labonti ne moy wo ngani ay kelo ke pour yeke wo man sadnyinti amam fentu e nyimbanko di duniyan kono ali nga to nyafo nyoy president Barrow mu moleti mu yalan kon tel I just believe ko amam banku dingol la value amam banku dingol muta fentu surtout carte faydal mu yalan koy bulol mi kolde ali nga hakiloti ñun to baake. suwal ko suma bop moma genal du bagnala kala fim fangola wo ma tinna nga fo konti wala ya foko ngam baytole an nga hakilo to nyindo baje nyamol mul be kadiyamu ifangol ko ngoli ka wala diyam may fati amad ba atodum fa ba ka tombo njata wala e be ko moy bol diyam ka ila seni sayente ma banko e Minnesota ka julota banko dingol toyala andu julo nyita jonola bi fele sefa nin semilo bebul dala si keme woro e ko la soto ni lafta semilo la e ka keme woro dala si muwa e ko le laji yani nyen sambe ban dal ma hakilo dala si keme woro wala mbeftala wala dala si keme woro wala mbeftala wala nyimban ko kata min tol so ila ta fala mole ko isi mole sambano la funga futa wuli killing ay ke sefa wuli killing yake dala si wuli killing wala ma si bo dandulati ika inflation o mun kuma ni mo sa balka double digit inflation o mun fo ngalon sa mbe 50 digit le bari nyaay to nyaaji e nyaay faniyaaji e to nyaa filije la faniyaka banko dingol jama ka balu wala nyama dan ko do yete la balu e sonia it is just unfortunate kamol tento ke jayi ke nimbara mul yalla wala kala mal nal bari ma pamane la baraka ba chala la moy kunyi mala